In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel infographics. Excel includes ready-made infographic templates that turn data into clear, polished visuals. We'll use only built-in options, no add-ins or design software. By the end, you'll know where to find these templates and how to open one so you can present your numbers with impact and confidence. These templates bundle charts, shapes, and typography into cohesive layouts, so the heavy design lifting is already done. They're great for reports, updates, and one-page summaries where clarity matters. Start in Excel and click File in the top left corner. That opens the Backstage view, where you manage opening, saving, and creating workbooks. If you already have a sheet open, this view simply covers it so you can start something new without closing anything. It's a central place to launch a fresh workbook based on a template. In this file view, look for the area that showcases new workbook designs and click More Templates. This expands the gallery beyond the handful on the start screen and loads Microsoft's full collection. It may take a moment for thumbnails to appear, especially on a slower connection, so give it a second before scrolling. The expanded gallery makes discovery easier than browsing a shortlist. With the gallery open, use the search box and type Infographics. Excel will filter the library to show layouts tailored for visual storytelling, often with bold headings, icons, and color-coded sections. Keep the terms simple, spelling matters, and make sure you're online so results can load. If you don't see anything at first, wait a moment as the previews refresh. You'll typically see options such as timelines, process visuals, comparison panels, and mini dashboards presented as infographics. Now browse the results, open a preview to read the short description, and choose a template that fits your purpose. Summarizing survey results, highlighting milestones, or presenting KPIs. When previewing, check the orientation and approximate paper size, the number of sections, the dominant color palette, and the chart types included, so the structure matches the story you need to tell. Some previews also note recommended uses or skill level, which can help you pick confidently. When you've found the one you want, click Create. Excel will generate a fresh workbook based on that design, with placeholder text and sample charts that clearly indicate where your content will go. And that's it. Click File, open the full template gallery with more templates, search for infographics, then choose a design and click Create. You now have a professional starting point for a compelling, data-driven infographic right inside Excel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your infographic.